Shall we go really old school?
Oh, yeah.
Like old, you know.
What, not Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer?
Not Rudolph, but... Ready?
Okay.
Oh, the weather outside is frightful. Sing.
Oh, hello.
But the fire is so delightful. And since we got no place to go, sing it.
Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
Hang on, Peter, they know this one.
They know it. Should we just put some music on for fun?
Should we also... Hang on, Telford, get this. We can have a sing-along with Peter Andre.
Shall we sing along?
Who wants to sing Let It Snow with Peter Andre? Come on, let's play
Have
it.
you got music? You got it, have you?
Oh. Look at this.
Ah.
I've got the words.
I don't know all the words. I sung this on my last album, I still don't know the words.
Oh, you must know the words.
Hang on, what? Hang on, is this just the music? You want to sing it?
Eat your cheeseburger, start it again, and we'll give it a go. And do you know what?
Is that Let It Snow? That sounded like a completely different song to me. Shall we just put it on again and just wing it?
Yeah.
Okay. We're just
You know what?
checking a text from our cousins. Hold on.
We're still singing.
Oh.
Hang on. Inside is frightful, but the fire is so
Sing it, ladies and gentlemen.
Since we no place to go,
Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. It doesn't show signs of stopping, and I bought some corn for popping.
lights turn way down low.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
and we finally said goodnight.
Oh, he knows it.
Da, 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 da,
Let it snow. But if you hold me tight, all the way home, I'll be warm. Oh, the fire is slowly dying.
Oh yeah, just sing along.
And my dear, we're still goodbye. But as long as you love me so,
I do. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
And then this is where I do a tap dance.
Yeah. Oh wow.
I like Bruce Snow.
Let it snow, let it snow.
Let's see you all clapping. Come on, Telford, put your hands in the air for Peter Andre.
No place to go. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Oh, 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 oh. Yeah.
Look, Telford, how many people can say that Peter Andre asked them just to have a sing-along, a bit of a sing-song at Christmas? A huge round of applause. We fumbled through the words, but we just sang along with Peter Andre.
Next time, me and you have got to learn the words to
I
that.
know, and he's got a candy cane. I tell you what, Telford, why don't we sing to Peter? We are Jingle Bells, or we wish you a Merry Christmas?
Jingle bells! Jingle bells!
Okay, we wish you a Merry Christmas. Now, it's on you, Telford. Okay, I'll start you off.
That really does hurt your teeth, you know.
Making candy canes. All right, the man is here. We've waited all day. He's been so good in chatting, singing with us. We're going to sing We Wish You a Merry Christmas to Peter Andre, 'cause that's what we do, isn't it?
Oh, I wish you guys a Merry Christmas. Honestly, a Happy New Year. I can't believe it's Christmas already.
It's bonkers, isn't it?
Unbelievable.
A few weeks.
Unbelievable.
Absolutely crazy. Are you ready, Telford?
Are we going to do this? Oh, yeah.
Are you ready? We wish you...
a Merry Christmas.
Louder!
We wish you a Merry Christmas.
Louder!
We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good times may bring
To you and your...
king. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Wonderful.
3 cheers for Peter Andre. Hip hip! Hip hip! Hip hip!
Thank you. And can I just say, I just did an interview just out the back, and I was telling them how wonderful you all are. How you've stood out here in the cold, in the rain, and your spirits are high. And I thank you very much for coming here and joining us when we're about to turn on the lights. Are we doing that?
Hang on. What time is it? Oh no, 12 minutes.
Oh,
So we're gonna let this man go back, warm up a bit.
okay.
So yet again, oh yeah. Look, if we had it your way, he'd be here all night,
Oh,
wouldn't
I
he?
love it. I love it.
He'd be here all night. He can't be. Is that a calendar? Is that my calendar? Is that my calendar?
Hey guys, shall we wish these two good health? No, okay. Right, that's it. That wasn't even funny, was it?
Hang on. Hello, baby.
Do you know what?
Yeah.
There's nothing worse when the picture looks better than the real thing. That's why calendars, honestly, I'm like, and every year I say to them, do we have to take our shirt off? Because one year I've got to stop doing that.
Why? They love it.
Better with the clothes on, I think.